Pericardial effusion is the excess fluid collection in the pericardial space or the space within the heart. The pericardial sac actually contains a normal amount of fluid, approximately 30 to 50 ml. The symptoms of pericardial effusion relate not so much to the volume of the effusion, but rather to the speed at which the fluid has accumulated. There are a wide range of causes, including infections, inflammatory and autoimmune conditions, and malignancies. Small pericardial effusions are often occult or cannot be seen on plain X-ray, but greater than 200 ml of pericardial fluid is usually required to become radiographically visible. A classic radiographic sign includes globular enlargement of the cardiac shadow, giving a water bottle configuration. On CT scan, the accepted thickness of a normal pericardium is less than or equal to 2 millimeters. Abnormal, such as in this CT scan, is a thickness of more than 3 to 4 millimeters, which confirms pericardial effusion.